Hello, good morning to you. It's now time for business. And the Joy Business, Health and Wellness Trade Show officially opens this morning at the Accra Digital Center. It's bringing many exhibitors in the health industry to one venue so you can meet all your health needs at one place. Let's now cross over to the Accra Digital Center where Charles Aite is ahead of the opening at 11 a.m. Charles.
Hello, Emmanuel. So, as you rightly stated, the opening is just in a few minutes away, and of course, we are currently here at the very place where we're going to be having so many exhibitors display their wares ahead of the trade show, which will be launched shortly. But this is one of the stands of the participants here. That's NS Chemist, and we shall be speaking to one of the authorities here, the representatives, to help us understand their appreciation of today's event. Many thanks for your time here on JoyNews. What do you make about the Health and Wellness Trade Show?
It's something that I believe is long overdue. For our society, there are several questions that lingers on many people's minds that they would really like to have answers to. But then they find it difficult to move into, let's say, a pharmacy where they are not going to buy anything to go and ask questions. But if they get an opportunity for a trade show like this, where they can come around, have a look, ask all the questions they want, and especially not in a community where they are. So whatever questions they want to ask, whatever clarification they want to seek, it's easier for them to do that. Yes, and for an event like this, an institution like NS Chemist, we open our doors so that anything about our company that you want to know, you can come in and ask. Okay. If you any information that you want to know about us, and it also gives us the opportunity to open up to the general public, not only those in the healthcare fraternity, to know exactly what we do, what we have in stock, and what the way forward is.
All right. Thank you very much for that very statement there. That was a representative from NS Chemist. But Mr. Rafi, all these participants, all these exhibitors have specific peculiar packages for each and every one of their prospective clients. We have stated in the theme that the issues of research and technology, and most of these people also have them right here at the Accra Digital Center. So this is the main place for you to come, especially when you want to have all your health needs addressed in a very clear language. But we shall be getting in touch with so many of them, especially when, they are so much prepared for the trade show today, which will be happening in the next couple of minutes. We shall be getting that. But as you could see, chiropractic issues with the bones and whatnot, and healthcare access to that very health package. But I have here a lovely lady. Hello, good morning. And I could see you're so much prepared for the day's event. But you are one of the representatives here. I see your... Okay, and I see your boss here. So let's speak to her about today's event and what she makes about its relevance to Ghana's health industry. Thank you very much. So the name of the company?
Nova Wellness Center.
Okay, so what's your aim here? What do you hope to achieve by the end of the event?
By the end of the event, we're hoping that anybody who comes to our stand is going to get some education on how to maintain their posture. Everything we do on our daily lives can put a big effect on our spines, how we sit, how we stand, how we even work. So we're hoping to first check people's posture. If there's any abnormality, we let them know, and then we also let them know how they can correct that, so that at the end of the day, their whole health is enhanced and they can be better at work.
And that's free?
Yes, the evaluation is free. We also have some seated massage, so people can get a mini massage, just about 5 minutes, to help their muscles to relax and calm down too.
That's great. So I may want to join in shortly after this engagement with you, Mr. Rafi. But this one very interesting package that some people got here at the Health and Wellness Trade Show. And I have one of the representatives here to help us understand. I've been speaking to you ahead of the trade show, which is going to be launched shortly, about the packages that you have. And it's basically attaching technology to our everyday lifestyles to make us live a very healthy lifestyle. Walk us through what you have here.
So really what we have here, the name of the company is Salad Master. We've been going since 1946. We've been in Ghana for 8 years. And what we do is that we show people how to stay away from lifestyle diseases like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, stroke, cancer, and so on and so forth through the life-changing presentations we do in homes. So people get to learn a lot about about health and nutrition by reducing fats, oils, keeping the pollution out of their food, and ultimately retaining 93% of the nutrition in their food.
Wow, so if I get you correctly, you could fry chicken without oil with this
Fried
product?
chicken without oil. We can prepare our local stews and other dishes with absolutely no oil. Okay. And really the whole focus is keep the nutrition in, keep the pollution out, retain maximum nutrition up to 93% of it in your food.
But what do you make of the health and wellness trade show?
Well, I think it's a fantastic thing. I heard it's a maiden one, so I'm really proud that our office gets to be here as well, so that we really reach out to people. A lot of people are looking more for the preventive methods as against the curative methods, and I think this is a very great initiative towards that. So well done, Joy FM.
Great. Thank you very much. So, Emmanuel Bajiriafi, you have heard it all for yourself. We shall be engaging so many of these exhibitors as well as patrons as the program elapses. You may want to stay tuned for that one.
Coming over to you for some more details of the Health and Wellness Trade Show. That's it for business. We're taking a break, and next is sports.